Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Poseidon's boat puzzle. This puzzle was made by Elamite Prints. Difficulty level of Poseidon's boat puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to open the drawer. The Poseidon's boat was 3D printed. It has many parts, but you can see only a box and a drawer. But if you shake the puzzle, you will hear that there is a lot going on inside. But this puzzle has a couple of strict rules that you can't break. The first one is no shaking is allowed. So you can shake it just to hear that there is something inside, but you can use this move to solve the puzzle. And the second rule is you can't flip the box upside down. You have to keep it with the top part up. How to figure out where is the top, where is the bottom? The top is where there is a gap between the drawer and the box. And there is no gap between the drawer and the bottom part of the box. Knowing all this information, you have to figure out the way how to open the drawer. You can move it a little bit, but that's it. You have to find the way how to open it all the way. To reset the box, you will have just to put the drawer back. It will be very easy and the puzzle will be ready to solve again. If you like the Poseidon's boat puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. The solution of this puzzle is unique, but it kind of breaks one of the fundamental rules of puzzle solving. You can't use any external tools, but this puzzle requires a tool. You can guess from the name of the puzzle, Poseidon's boat, that the external tool will be water. So first of all, what you have to do is to grab the box and hit it from the bottom, since there is a magnet inside and it's supposed to be released. And then you can grab the box, put it inside the bowl with water, wait until it will be full, and when the water will be inside the box, you can easily open it. Now you can probably guess how the puzzle works. There are floating locks that can be released only using the water, and that's how you open the box. To close it, just put the drawer back inside and the box is closed. Then you can add some water inside and open it again. So quite an interesting and unusual solution for the puzzle. It breaks one of the rules a little bit, but still it is a very nice puzzle to have in a puzzle collection, and it will surprise a lot of your guests who will be asking what is this puzzle and how to solve it. If you like the Poseidon's boat puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzle boxes, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.